Around with the Monte Carlo just now. I'm having a hard time figuring out a few things on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put those on the tie rod ends real quick. I don't think that I put this on here correctly. I'm almost certain that that's backwards. But to me, it seems like that would have made the most sense.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, bumping out the roof. Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Jumping out the, hopping out the roof. Evacuate the truck and then I get into a demon. You know I'm about to wallow, I don't really need a reason. I was at the bottom with them bloods, I was anemic. I don't wanna talk about it, way too hot, it ain't the season. Staying low key, where's luxury, have you seen them? Got me looking like I'm out about it, fun is my demeanor. Here at the location and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm trying to get a beamer. Trying to get the back up when we popping out the show. And I only act that when we putting on the show. Cooking up the product, then I put it up for show. Better pay me like I'm Kirko, I'm a whipping with the dough. Hands so tight, I'll captivating when I flow. Even when I'm in the dark, I still can manage with the glow. Haven't given up because my flag is on the pole. This is just another lover, ex Mario, you know.
Sneaking in the building and I'm coming out the window. Got no baby mama, but I hit a couple widows. Love me when I'm down, but it's hate when I get sent up.
Go ahead and set that up. Put this light on. Got to move the truck. I was messing around with the Monte Carlo just now. I'm having a hard time figuring out a few things on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put those on the tie rod ends real quick. I don't think that I put this on here correctly. I'm almost certain that that's backwards. But to me, it seems like that would have made the most sense. That let me know how my brain works right there. So we definitely gonna have to get somebody to help me fix that. I'm gonna take some pictures of that so I could show my friend what I'm working with. Give him a good laugh at best. I'm gonna put these on back on here, right here. As y'all can see, I'm having a hard time right now adjusting these bushings, this rubber bushing for this front sway bar. And so it looks like it's supposed to be like right up in here somewhere on the bend. You got that right there. So today, my main focus though is on the Raptor. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one ready to sell. I should give it a good wash down, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna just take a picture as is. This some of the good and some of the bad on it. I gotta go ahead and pull the dually out. Like I told y'all, man, my shop gets spider webs really quick in here. I'm finna go ahead and throw that in time lapse, do what I gotta do, and take these pictures real quick. I'm definitely tearing up this sway bar. It's gonna get scratched up anyway, but I like the way that's bringing a little pop to it. So yeah, finna take these pictures and throw you on time lapse. So he took that one for a test spin. It's running pretty good, huh? He said the bench is still running good, man. Y'all know Zach. He gonna test the hell out of it. I heard that bitch in here yelling. So you got that right there. You can just put it over on top of that little pad, whatever. So, and we got this one. It does run. Does have a title and it will be gone. So we came to the conclusion of what's wrong with the sway bar. And we figured out that the measurements were too short. I need to see if these even the right bolts. Yeah, snap that daggone braided brake line. Man, yeah. Hitting it with the, I'm trying to bust them ball joints loose, man. I went ahead, I hit that thing on accident. Where those brackets at? So I can show y'all the brackets, man. I just had them things. So I'm gonna put this on up before I lose it. I'm known to lose some shit. Where them brackets at? I just had them boys. Man, y'all know I need to stop smoking, man. I can't remember where shit is. So it's that one right there. In this case, I need to grab it again. What did I do with those brackets? I just had them. But it's like about 2 inches too short on those brackets. There they go. These are about 2 inches too short. And I don't know, they probably could be stretched out. But I'd much rather just get something that's a little bit safer. I think I'm gonna go with the QA1 setup. And so, this is where we at. I'm gonna get to the bottom of that. I'm gonna shoot some pictures and get some information from one of my friends. And I'm gonna put some tape on this right there for the brake line. So nothing don't go in there. So, that's about all I'm gonna do today. And as y'all can see, we are making a lot of progress, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Man, look what we got. We got OG up in here. We got him mic'd up so we can get a good understanding. We're gonna keep it clean. Go crisp sound. I want you to be who you are, man. I want you to say how you are, man. Hey, I'm glad you took the time out to help me rebuild the AC box. Do you think it looked real bad?
No, it ain't real bad, man. I think we can do something with it. Okay. That way we don't have to try to go search for another one. Mm-hmm. I think we can make that work.
Yep. So, man, y'all can see he got his all put together. You rebuilt this one?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, rebuilt it all the way from the inside out.
Yep.
I just had an issue with my AC pump, but that was my fault, I believe. Okay. So I got a new one. I'm going to go ahead and get all that stuff cleaned up and installed.
Yep. There it is right there. Putting that fan in there. I caught him in action, y'all.
Yeah, put this fan on right quick so we can go ahead and move this out. I don't want all this stuff to get too dusty on the inside.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and pull him out right quick. And then we get to work.
Man, y'all see he got some spokes on there, man. I have to do some clean footage. And we was talking about the sway bar. Let's see what we look like. Oh, okay. That's what I'm supposed to be looking like right there. As y'all can see, I know y'all can see better than I can. Let's look up under there. Let's look everywhere on this car.
The only thing I didn't mess with was like from the fenders back on the frame, but I'll eventually get to that once I start doing some more of the body work.
Cause I know you have put some speakers in here.
Yep.
The cap, the cover. Put the speakers on there, the ones with the speakers. Put some carpet up in there. Man, we gotta do some montage real quick. I'm gonna throw this in time lapse, man, but y'all see what we got going. Finally got over here. I'm gonna show y'all the fifth wheel and I'm gonna show y'all the AC box. But be back with y'all.
and through the back half, and then up and through the board, and then connecting to the amp.
Okay.
But then I just ran them on the top, so them holes were still in the back, but I figured they'd let the amps breathe because there's fans mounted to the bottom of the amps, but they're still getting kind of hot, not to where they're cutting off. So I ended up buying some.
Man, so you whamming and you on spokes.
Yeah.
What these is?
A little bit.
L5s.
Yep.
These 12s?
Yeah.
2 12s.
Yep.
I mean, you kicking off some power though.
I'm gonna eventually change these out.
Wires is, man. That's a big old wire.
0 gauge, and then 8 gauge. I mean, 4 gauge on this one, and then 0 gauge on that one.
Man, you getting it together, man. Yeah, because you even got door speakers in there and everything. I was looking at.
Yeah, it's got 6x9s up here, and then 6x9s in the quarter panels. Cut them holes out, put them in.
So you beating the block down. That's what it sounded like. It sounded like you in a rolling concert.
A little bit. A little bit.
What you be in here slapping, man?
All kinds of shit.
Yeah.
Everything.
Man, you be listening to like any like Southern rap, like Pimp C, UGK.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You ever heard a dude named Big Crit?
Yep.
What you think?
I
He
like
made good music to slap.
I like.
What about 21 Savage? That's
I don't really like Savage too much. He got some alright stuff, but I'm more the old school.
But Big Crit give you that feel though, huh?
Yeah.
There's some people like I'm listening to, like Dom Kennedy. People that got that old. Some people got some 3 6 Mafia type stuff.
Yep.
I've been listening to stuff like that, so it's like I don't need new artists.
Yeah.
I like what I like.
Yep.
So I'm slap what I want in my shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Man, so I never knew about Kid Frost.
Man, Kid Frost is OG, like for real. Yeah.
Yeah.
That
So you
Cali
slap a little
style.
that every now and then.
Yep.
Like he like Easy E kind of.
Yep.
Yeah.
All
that
West
shit hard.
Coast, down south, even like Georgia. I've just been following a lot of cats from out there that are actually doing like the Georgia type country versus like the cowboy type country, and that should be flowing.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a cat out there.
Check it out.
Jimmy Ray, I think his name is, but I can't think of his name off the top of my head. But I think it's Jimmy Ray. But he's got a song with Boosie, Lil Boosie.
Okay.
And that should be banging too.
Okay. And he got some slapping here. So right now you got everything disconnected, or
it's connected.
It's connected.
Yep. The only thing is, I just took the fan shroud out because I had to get that fan out so I can undo my the AC pump belt. I had to take all that stuff apart, so that's why I had the fan on. So now it's back on. I'm gonna hurry pull this out. I'll turn it on right quick.
Okay.
That way you get a decent feel for it.
Yeah, man.
Different types of music. It's tuned.
Yeah.
Kind of more or less for rap music, but I bumped some country in it, some old school R&B. I wrote all that.
Yeah. Whatever's gonna make it slap.
Yeah.
Man, it's coming together. Not coming together. It is together. You just customizing it now.
Yeah, I'm just whenever I do a car, man, I always try to do the main, not so much cosmetic stuff. I like doing all my mechanical stuff first. Okay. So like all the door seals, I did all that first. I got all these new. They're in the box. I haven't put them on yet. Okay. But I haven't done that yet because I want to be able to paint back here.
Yes.
And then put the glue on it, and then the adhesive, and then seal it up. So that's why I haven't put these new on yet, but I got them.
Man, but you came out the gate already probably like 75, 80%. You knew what it's going to take to begin with.
Oh, yeah. Once
I'm
I saw the car.
And like now I'm trying to go to the junkyard to pull more bolts for the Blazers. I done lost pieces along the way. Bolts, brackets. I'm tired of going to Ace Hardware. But, man.
Yeah, if you can, that's kind of the best route to go. If they don't make it new aftermarket, always go to the junkyard and just get extra stuff.
Man, you gonna put this bumper on here, or you gonna put a new one on there?
I think I'm gonna fix it. That's why I put that adhesive on there, because I wanted to test it out and see how it was gonna perform.
Yeah, because my stuff all holding up. My stuff all cracked up right there too.
Yep, and it's been holding up. It has a.
So you with that tone sound like that low ground to it. Bitch, I'm rolling. Y'all catch him at the red light.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, man, my partner got that low rider, man. I did not know you don't want to drive them about 40, maybe 50 miles per hour in them things.
Yep.
Oh, my goodness.
Yep. Yeah.
He learning how to lock it up, and it's like, for your system to be able to do everything, you got to do some work to make that low rider. Well, it's a lot of pieces to it, man.
And that's the thing, man. It's not, I ain't going to say for the weak, but you definitely got to be able to know what you're doing, learning it. You have to learn that, because if not, you're going to spend a lot of money taking it to people to get it fixed.
Ooh,
I like fixing my own stuff, so.
Man, my main thing about what I want to do in my car, I like the way that look. I didn't like the way the vintage air setup look, and one, I just can't afford to drop all that at one time, and this is being real. I'm just a working man, no sponsorships. I'm doing this on damn near ramen noodle diet, man. You know what I mean? We saving, investing into good stuff. If I'm going to buy it, I want it to be quality. That's it.
Yep.
I worked too hard for my little bill, Chochos.
Heck yeah. That's how I always did it.
Might have to holler at Micho.
Right. Right. Hey, Micho get you right.
Riding in an old school bump. Shot out, pump in the trunk. Bad little bitch in the front.